Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, today we got in the mail the Allure box for February 2022. This is a box, as you know, I really enjoy, and I love being able to share with you a lot of the products inside this box. For me, Allure has always been one, and especially when their price went up, they were one of the first ones to increase their prices, where a lot of people went from $15 to $23, which is a huge jump. But they almost were before the curve where all the other boxes are going now. But the thing with Allure is that now they give us 3 usually full-size products within the box, and one product usually more than pays for it. But they also put in brands that for me have always been brands that usually a year later, if they show up in boxes, is when that happens. So I was introduced to so many brands through the Allure beauty box. The Allure magazine is also one that I have been a subscriber for years, and also their Bible for when they every year have their readers' choices as well as their editor picks and things like that has always been my Bible of products that I would look into when I was purchasing full retail. Now with the boxes, I have access to so many more brands that I would never even have the ability to let alone purchase, let alone have access to. So this is just fantastic, and to me, the price increase on this box has been an absolute win. I also got very lucky that there was a sale going on, which I always share with you when I get spoilers, when I get sales, when there's these fantastic deals that are going on. So I was able to lock in for a full year of this. I also got a bonus box from them, and I was able to lock in where I think my price for this box is around $16 or $18. Either way, this box to me is an absolute winner, and I love being able to share these type of boxes with you on the channel. As you know on my channel, and if you don't, what I do is I open up the box prior to sitting down and I take a picture for my Instagram. My name there is True Ones with the number 2. I hope you will follow me there as well, because I share a lot of information there, as well as sharing when a video is going up, as well as product shots and some products that I don't have the time to do a video, but I want to share about the product. So Instagram for me has been really fantastic. When it's something that just a picture is needed, that's when it goes on there. But I love YouTube because that was where I started to be able to come and share informative videos with you guys. And one thing that Allure has always done was with their brochure, share so much information with us that enables me to share that with you as well. So to me, this is an absolute treat to be able to share this with you, as well as the spoilers and all of that in reference to this box. So when I opened this up, I saw that there was one product in here that is one that I always talk about with you guys. So it will be a replenishment for me. So I pulled mine out and put it on the side here, because it's something that I use on a daily basis, and especially when I'm filming. So when I opened up the brochure, the first item that is in this box is this product here that I have shared with you, and I have shared with you when it started to show up in other companies, that I said, this is one that I want everyone to try. So everyone that is getting this box is going to be able to get this. And the Allure box is always usually still available in the same month. So if you sign up for Allure in the month that you're in, that is the box that you will get. So if this is a box that is not of interest to you, but you want the Allure box, I would always suggest to wait till the next month, the beginning of the month, to be able to then make sure that you only get the box that you want. So right now, if this is of interest to you after I go through everything and you sign up for Allure, you'll be able to get this. And I have links to all. I never mention it in any of the videos. If you look in my description box, I always try to put as much information as I can in there, and I put every box that I usually talk about on the channel there with the links to be able to get you there. And if there's a special deal or things like that, I try to share that in there as well. All right. So this is the first item that is in here. It comes in this full retail box. And this item here is from this brand called Dermelect. And as I've shared with you, when I use a product, because I have so many products on my countertop to try, that when I start seeing results with one, I kind of push everything away and I use the bottle all the way to the end. And this is one product that not only did I do this once with, I already did it twice with. So this will be the third time that I will use this bottle all the way to the end. This is this brand called Dermalex Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. The scent of this is not a pleasant pick-me-up type of scent. It is very medicinal. So to me, it dissipates, but just be aware of that. But the results are so worth it that I'm telling you to kind of ignore the scent. And some other girls wrote to me that they enjoyed the scent. So I guess it's all in preference. So this one says, why you'll love it. It says this is a lightweight nighttime treatment. That's another thing that I enjoy. These sleep serums that you put on and they penetrate even more and more during the evening. And then when you wake up in the morning, you see the results are so there. Anyways, okay. This is a lightweight nighttime treatment that is packed with tried and true exfoliating and ingredients with salicylic and glycolic acids to help clear your pores and promote your cell turnover while you sleep for smoother, more even skin. On top of these two powerhouse ingredients, this serum also contains vitamin C, which helps fade dark spots and protect your skin from free radicals, and hyaluronic acid, which makes your skin dewy and prevents moisture from evaporating. They're saying this is a sweet scent, is faint and lovely. Then it says how you use this at night. Use a dropper full. It's enough to cover your face, neck, and chest for the skin that's brighter and smoother. The retail price on this is $42. They also have discount codes in here that I always share in the description box as well. So anything that's a code or a discount, I share that in the description box for the items. I will put them, the price and the full size price for it. And this is a full size item, as well as the discount codes from the brochure. I know it's a lot of extra work, but it's something that I use for myself. So if I do it for me, I'm doing it for you guys as well. The next item in here also is 1 ounce, I think. Yeah. This is from ESPA. This is the Clarifying Clay Mineral Mask. This I have used before and enjoyed as well. This is a clay that is a deep clean for your pores. It absorbs excess oil so your skin is left feeling smoother and more mattified. This creamy face mask pairs the clarifying ingredients with moisturizing coconut oil and rosewater. It will leave your skin left feeling softer and tighter, but not dry. And that is a fantastic combination that they did. This is a sweet floral scent that is a relaxing perk to this product. It says you can wear it for 20 minutes or 10 if you are pressed for time. Then rinse, clean, and bask in your baby smooth complexion. This face mask is great for dry, normal, as well as combo skin. And the clay will help decongest while the coconut oil and the rose water will help hydrate. This is a $34 item. And again, I will leave the discounts and everything in the description box down below. It's just that clay color. It's like that gray type of color. So I'm still using the one, I should have brought it out here, from this brand. I'm almost finished it, so I'm really excited to have the opportunity to try that. This is the product that I could not wait to share with you. This is from the Browgal. This is an eyebrow pencil. This is the one that's in here. See how huge this is? This is the one that I have in my arsenal and that I use all the time, and it is in the same color. It's called medium brown number 04, and this is perfect for my eyebrows. I'm very lucky. I still have thick eyebrows. I don't have a lot of, different colors within my eyebrow. So for me, this is always just to fill in a little bit more, to give it a little bit more definition, but it's not like I carve out my brows or anything. I just need a little pencil like this to help give it a little bit more color or definition for the camera. But also when I go out in the evenings and stuff, I always pulled this. But when I received this, like that pencil, it was this huge. So this is gonna last you a long time. One side has the spoolie and the other side has the pencil, which I will swatch after we talk about it. So really excited to have the opportunity to share this with you guys. Okay, this one is and whenever I do my MOTDs, that's when I do my reviews. So if you're ever looking to find out like what's on my face, if I had a good makeup day and I want to share with you about the products that I tested. Those are called MOTDs, and you can find them when you go to my videos and just type in the search bar MOTD, which stands for makeup of the day. And that's when I go through from my primer all the way to my setting spray. And pretty much every single one of them, I mentioned this pencil. So this one here says, this brow pencil has the perfect waxy consistency for creating believable fullness. It is a color that is easy to blend in with your with the thoughtfully included spoolie. It is a key and often overlooked step for more professional looking brows. I agree with that. It says how to use this: draw hair-like strokes, focusing more color on your arches than on the rest of your brow, which is a reliable makeup artist trick. I never knew that. It says for achieving natural looking graduation. It says it helps you start by coloring in your arches first. You also use the spoolie to back comb once your brows to brush them, and then the natural way, which adds instant lift. Never knew that either. 2 great new tips. This is a $23 value on its own. So I'm going to put this one over here and I'm going to pull mine. And this is the color here. So I'm going to do it dark so you can see, but the lighter you press, the lighter the color will show up. So that's just one, and that's me pressing a couple of times. And to me, it's great because a lot of girls don't have tails anymore, so you have to pencil it in. There's something about this one that it looks so natural that even where there's areas that are a little bit sparse that maybe I over tweezed one time until the hairs grow back, this helps with that. And then when you brush this out, I just comb it this way, but now it's telling to comb this way and then comb it back. That might, but to me, they look natural either way. So however you use this, you'll be fine. But those are great, great tips that they just shared with us. The next item is one that I'm familiar with and I have shared with you on my channel before. It is this brand called Briology. So not Briology, sorry, Brigeo. This is Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. They're saying the reason Allure readers have voted this their best conditioner hair treatment out there. This is a creamy mask that is formulated with rosehip for hydration, almond oil for shine, and vitamin B to help deliver a boost of moisture back to your hair that does everything deep conditioning treatments should, making your hair softer, hydrated, frizz-free, and shiny. We weren't kidding when we said everything. How to use this, they're saying in the shower, finger comb the mask through your washed, damp, or wet hair. Skip the roots of your hair is fine. I tell you that all the time also. And rinse it out within 5 to 10 minutes later. You can throw your hair into a bun and before time it is up. So none of the good stuff washes down the drain prematurely. The full size of this usually comes in a tub that is $38. This is a sample size, which I consider a deluxe sample, and they gave us a discount code if we're interested in this, and this is 1 fluid ounce. I have a lot of hair, and these last me, so really, really excited about that. The other one was, I know that other people might have gotten different products. They said based on how long you've been with Allure was what product would show up in your box. I ended up with this M61, and this is a really fantastic brand that I had the opportunity to do a whole video about when my channel first started because I was really impressed with this brand. This is called the Powerglow Peel, and this is a facial peel that is a fan favorite. People go crazy for it, and they're saying on Reddit. This is a glycolic and salicylic acid formula that balances your skin soothing ingredients, and it has chamomile in it. Their editors love using it at night for the skin that is noticeably smoother, glowier, and bright, and not the least bit irritated the next day, which is what I found as well. They're saying these pads could not be more user-friendly. You swipe over your clean skin, and that's it. There's no need to rinse. We like using it over our face, our neck, and our chest at night. Since the editors with sensitive skin immediately noticed a little pinkiness, that was gone the next morning. The retail price on this is $30 for 10 treatments. This one here, I think they give a few treatments in this one. Yeah, there's 3 in here. They come in these packets. This is what I used to always take with me traveling because this was a great way to do a night treatment with no bringing anything with any ingredients that you had to worry about, and you never have. Always test out first at home, and then if it works for you, this is something that I suggest you take when you're traveling. So something that I did and used and enjoy, and happy to have some more sample packs for me. The next item in here is this Rosewater, and this is the size that we got in here. This is a product that I've purchased. There's a real rose scent to this, so this is something that I have passed on to a family member who is enjoying it a lot. So I have another bottle for him, and now another bottle here, because when I went to the store, I saw this size and I thought it would be good for him, but this is even better. So this one here is the Rosewater. This is from this brand called Heritage, and this is a, they're saying it's called Heritage Store, and it is a Rosewater Refreshing Facial Mist. They're saying this is a delicate facial mist that's made with just 2 ingredients. It's purified water and the damask rose oil. If you're not a lover of rose, this has, to me, a very strong rose scent. This is a staple in countless makeup artist kits. This is a hydrating spritz that is believed as a prep step for radiant skin. It can also be used as a setting spray to help prevent makeup from creasing, and a refresher that makes your skin glow even after 3 p.m. It says makeup artists also spray it over their sponges to help blend foundations or concealers over skin. That is why I was so interested in this product, but like I said, the rose scent for me was just a little bit too much. They're saying mist onto the skin from about 12 inches away. You can use it under moisturizer in the morning or to perk up, and we discussed all that stuff. Okay, this retail price for the full size, which is this huge bottle here, which is usually 8 fluid ounces, is $10.69. So it's very attainable. What we got in here is a 30 ml, so it's 1 fluid ounce. And then the other item that was something that I wanted to share with you about, not the other item, those are the items that are in this box, but I wanted to share with you because there's so many fantastic deals that are also going on Allure's website, that when you are part of Allure, they send you down these emails with these fantastic deals. It's usually, they have a member price and a non-member price, and the member price is usually when you get the boxes. So they have one going on right now that's about $40, and for the non-member, it's $80. Even at $80, it is still a fantastic deal based on the value of those kits. So like I'm saying here, they have this one here that I'm going to just show you up close. This is over $200 worth of products, and for the members, it is only $40. They also have brands like Laura Mercier 111 Skin that they sell those also at deeply discounted prices. You can get a Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder for $12, and that would be the $23 size. Same thing with 111 Skin. You can get that for $30. And this is the Vitamin C Brightening Booster, which was how I got introduced to the 111 Skin brand. This was one that I ended up repurchasing in add-ons in another box, as well as when it was available in the point section. I fell in love with this product and again, used it all the way to the end. But that's what introduced me to 111 Skin. So if you haven't introduced yourself to 111 Skin, this is one that I would introduce myself to, because this was how I learned about the brand and I really saw results with this product. And with boosters, you can wear them alone or you can add them into your moisturizers, into your foundations, into anything. Booster just means that it will boost up whichever product you are using, or you can use it on its own. And so I wanted to make sure that you guys were aware of that as well. They also have in the brochure some other products also. One that I also fell in love with too, that I learned from this box, was this U Beauty. Also really an expensive product, but if you fall in love with these expensive products, you don't have to worry anymore, because we can get them in these deals for $30, which is absolutely fantastic. So this is one that I highly recommend. Able Skincare was another one that I really enjoyed as well. We're starting to see these now also in BoxyCharm boxes, but this I have only seen in the Allure box, this U Beauty, and it is an absolutely fantastic brand. So these brochures are always filled with so much information. And they also have another one that I've shared with you on the channel. They have the Luxury at Home bundle, but they also have this other bundle that they call the K&J, which is Japan and Korean beauty bundles that they come out with a few times during the year. So this is fantastic because they used to be so far and few between when they had these deals, and now they're going on all the time every month. So that is why I'm enjoying being part of Allure membership by getting the box, because I also have access to all these other deals as well. And that's everything that I have for you today. So thank you so much for joining me for the unboxing of the Allure February 2020 box. I do have a giveaway going on right now that is for a duplicate BoxyCharm box that I got from my paid, because with BoxyCharm I get 2 paid bases and 2 paid premiums, and one of my premiums, because I chose the same palette which I wanted to have as a giveaway, everything else in that box was also a duplicate. So if you haven't signed up for that giveaway for the entire BoxyCharm box that includes that gorgeous $70 Huda Beauty Mercury palette, please do, because and share it with others so that this channel can grow and that I'm able to do more and more for you guys. All right, so that's it for today. But as you know, at the end of all my videos, I want to make sure that everybody please continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well, and I'll see you all soon in my next video. Take care, everybody. Bye for now.